And I'm Rachel Cox
for 2Egg TV. So Rachel, are you excited to be at Factory Creek Falls?
I am thrilled to be at Factory Creek Falls. We're going to go down and explore. What have you seen so far, and what do you expect to see?
So far, I have seen mushrooms and butterflies, and I'm hoping to see some cave openings.
Well, let's go down and check it out. All right, so we're gonna go down to the waterfall and work our way up the creek. There's several waterfalls leading to the big one that we just saw. So let's go down, Kyla, and check it out. Keep my eye open for butterflies. And snakes. Shoo snakey, shoo snakey. Yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. So Kyla, this is Factory Creek Falls. What do you see so far?
I see some beautiful falls. I've also seen some butterflies, yellow, black with blue. Absolutely gorgeous here.
This must be the place to be. So we're gonna go down and get up in this waterfall and check it out. We went down to Factory Creek Falls and we walked up the creek. We went to the waterfall. How close did we get to the waterfall?
We got super close. We were even able to walk underneath the falls where there's a cave system. It's absolutely stunning.
Tell us about the temperature.
It was cool, but it wasn't too cold. But it's super refreshing, especially in this southern heat.
So we explored Factory Creek Falls and then came back along the trail. It was something we didn't expect to see in Southwest Georgia, but it is beautiful. So for more information about Factory Creek Falls and other waterfalls, visit us at 2eggtv.com. I'm Rachel Cox.
And I'm Kyla Clifton
for 2Egg TV.